Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to force delete a file that can't be deleted on Windows 11. Sometimes a file just refuses to go away because it's being used by another program or your account doesn't have the right permissions. Don't worry, I'll show you two simple ways to fix this. First, let's use the command prompt method. This is one of the most powerful ways to remove stubborn files. Open the Windows search bar and type cmd. When command prompt appears, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. This step is important because it gives you the permission to make changes to system files. Once command prompt opens, you need to navigate to the folder that contains the file you want to delete. Type cd followed by the path of the folder. For example, type cd /users/your username /downloads and press enter. Replace your username with your actual Windows username. Now type del followed by the name of the file. For example, del test.pdf and press enter. If the file name has spaces in it, type it inside quotation marks like this: del /filename.pdf. After pressing enter, the file should be deleted instantly. If the command prompt method doesn't work, it's probably a permission issue. Here's how to fix that. Right-click on the file you want to delete and select Properties. Go to the Security tab and click Advanced. Next to the Owners section, click Change. In the box that appears, type your Windows username, click Check Names, and then click OK. Now go back to the Security tab and click Edit. Select your username from the list and check the box that says Full Control. Click Apply, then OK. Once you've done that, try deleting the file again. This time, it should disappear without any problem. And that's it. You've just learned how to force delete a file that won't delete on Windows 11 using command prompt and permission settings.